everyone. You spend almost a third of your life at work. 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, sitting at the same desk, walking the same hallways, drinking the same coffee. But here is the big question. Is your office really safe? Most people assume that because their workplace looks modern, has air conditioning and a fire extinguisher hanging on the wall, they are safe. But the truth is shocking. Millions of office workers every year face hidden dangers in their workplace. Dangers that cause health problems, accidents, and even lawsuits. And here is the scariest part. You probably don't even notice them. Today, we are going to uncover the work environment secrets you didn't know. By the end of this video, you will see your office in a completely new light. The silent dangers lurking at your desk. Picture this. You are sitting at your desk, typing away. You have been in the same position for hours. Your neck feels stiff. Your shoulders ache, but you ignore it. Months later, that stiffness turns into chronic back pain. Something that could have been prevented with a simple ergonomic adjustment. That is right. Your chair, your desk, your monitor height, even the lighting in your office could be silently damaging your body every single day. Most offices don't even bother with proper ergonomic checks, and employees suffer in silence. And it is not just posture. Air quality, noise pollution, and even poor lighting can cause fatigue, headaches, and stress. Look around right now. Where is your monitor? At eye level or too low? If it is wrong, your office is already hurting you. Now let's discuss about the hygiene trap nobody talks about. Let's move to something most employees never think about: hygiene. It might sound boring, but office hygiene can be the difference between a healthy workforce and half your team calling in sick. I once came across a case study where an IT company had over 40% absenteeism traced back to dirty restrooms and an unhygienic pantry. Imagine that. The office wasn't losing money because of bad clients, but because of dirty toilets. Air conditioning systems that aren't cleaned regularly spread bacteria faster than you think. Germs on a single shared keyboard can travel across the office in just a few hours. And yet, when was the last time your company audited the pantry or restroom hygiene? Probably never. Fire emergencies and the illusion of safety. Now let's talk about the biggest risk of all: fire and emergencies. Offices love to show off their shiny fire extinguishers. But here is a secret. Most of them are expired, emergency exits. Most often than not, blocked with furniture, boxes, or locked for security reasons. And worst of all, most employees have no idea what to do in a real emergency. In audits, we have seen companies that have never been conducted a fire drill. Imagine a sudden fire breaking out. You will be surprised how many people wouldn't even know where the nearest exit is. Having safety equipment isn't enough. The real test is whether it works, whether it is accessible, and whether employees are actually trained to use it. Toxic work culture, the invisible safety hazard. But safety isn't just about equipment. It is about culture. A toxic work culture can be just as dangerous as a faulty fire alarm. Overworked, stressed employees are far more likely to make mistakes, ignore hazards, or burn out. Bullying, harassment, or a lack of channels to report issues create a culture where people don't feel safe speaking up. And here is the secret. Most audits reveal that stress and cultural problems are some of the biggest hidden risks in a workplace. Safety is not just about helmets and extinguishers. It is also about whether you feel respected, valued, and mentally safe at work. Now, the legal and financial risk companies ignore. Of course, there is also the legal and financial side. You might think this is just about comfort and well-being, but companies have been fined millions for neglecting workplace safety. Laws like OSHA or standards like ISO 45001 exist for a reason. And the real secret: non-compliance doesn't just cost money in fines. It ruins a company's reputation. Imagine being known as the company where employees collapse from exhaustion or get injured because of a faulty system. That is not just dangerous, it is brand suicide. And yet, companies still ignore audits thinking they are saving money. when in reality they are setting themselves up for massive losses. The future, tech-powered work environment audits, and the future now. Technology is already changing the game. Offices are starting to use smart sensors that monitor air quality in real time. AI is helping design ergonomic workstations tailored to individual employees. Wearables can now monitor stress levels and fatigue, alerting HR before burnout turns into a resignation letter. Imagine a future where your office automatically tells you to stand up and stretch, or warns you when the air quality is dropping. That is not science fiction. It is already happening. Do it yourself. Safety check for employees. But here is the part I love most. You don't have to wait for your employer to act. You can do your own mini office safety audit right now. Ask yourself, is your chair adjustable? Are fire exits visible and unblocked? Do you have access to a first aid kit? Are your work hours reasonable? And perhaps most importantly, do you feel safe raising concerns at work? If the answer to any of these is no, then your office has hidden safety gaps. And remember, change always starts with awareness. Your right to a safe office. So let's wrap this up. Your office may look safe on the surface, but the secrets we have uncovered today prove otherwise. Safety is not a luxury, it is your right. Whether you are an employee or an employer, it is your responsibility to act. Check your workspace, demand audits, and build a culture where safety isn't an afterthought. Because at the end of the day, a safe office isn't just about avoiding accidents. It is about creating an environment where people can be healthy, productive, and happy. So I leave you with this now. Look around your office tomorrow morning with new eyes. See the risk, spot the gaps, and take action. Share this video with your colleagues and managers because awareness is the first step towards safety. And remember, a safe office is not just a smart office. It is the only office worth working in. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of TNB Academy.